In this video, I'm going to go over a few ways that water can get into your crawl space. Let's go ahead and get started with the first one. That will probably have something to do with the water table in your area or moisture in the ground. And you're probably not going to have a big problem if the ground on both sides is at the same height. However, if the ground on the outside is a little higher or a lot higher than the water in the soil, for example, from excessive rain or snow melting, or a variety of other things, could be allowing water to enter in from the outside into your crawl space area through the soil. Next up, let's take a look at cracks in the building foundation walls that will be holding the soil back. And if this soil is saturated with water, it's probably going to enter into the crawl space. And of course, we can't leave out the old broken water supply pipes or the broken water drainage pipes that could be a problem. And this could also include leaking plumbing fixtures above, like a bathtub or a toilet. Next up on the list, you might have a problem with your gutters. Maybe they're filled with leaves or the downspouts are clogged, allowing water to pool up around the house. And it doesn't have to be a lot of water. If you have a steady supply of water pooling up in your yard, then you might consider installing side drains. Another problem that you could have would be that the soil next to the house is level or sloping towards the house, and this could allow large pools of water to accumulate around your building foundation. So if you can, try to divert the water away from the house. And if you can't, then you might consider using side drains with sump pumps. And the last thing I want to mention will be water coming from a neighbor or from a local water supply pipe or drainage pipe. And don't forget to consider any nearby streams, rivers, lakes, or if you live in an area with a high water table. So I think the common sense approach to this is to look for any water pooling up or leaking first. Then try to rule out some of these other things. And if anybody watching this has any more ideas, feel free to share them with us in the comment area. And thanks for watching. To learn more about home building and repairs, visit us at our website. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. See you next time.